Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of element in Canva. It's quite simple. So let's go to this section over here that is elements. So mind you, it can be any element, the process is still the same. Let's say I want to go to the heart and there's the heart shape. You can simply drag and drop. And so it's weight and color, right? So in order to change the color of this element, you can simply tap in that, and there in the top bar you can literally see the option of color. Let's tap in there, and this is where the magic happens. You can choose any of the color you like. It's totally up to you. Let's go with the pink or the purple or even the gradient one. There are so many options. You can also like customize it as well by choosing different colors and stuff. Yeah, and yeah, so I just try to make it like more fancy. You can choose a simply like a solid color from here. I hope this video was helpful. Like if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.